Okay, this is a BSA Gold Star DBD34 500cc. I've had one of these before, so you might have seen another video of one. And this is I've made this more comfortable by putting on straight handlebars instead of the clip-ons, because I just finding it too difficult to manage with that. But as you can see, it's still, the riding position's great, it's comfortable. I didn't need to move the rear sets, everything works, it's great, so much more comfortable. This bike, a lot of people are fitting electric starts on these models, but this one doesn't. It's still the original bike. And to start this bike, it's also 1959 by the way. You turn on the petrol, and on this bike there is no advance and retard because it's got a BTH magneto, which has got the advance and retard built in electronically. So you would, to start it, you would turn on the petrol and then give the carburettor, the button on the carburettor, a little tickle to enrichen the first shot of petrol it gets, and then open the kickstart. You must make sure that the footrest is folded up, otherwise you hit it with the kickstart. And bring it onto compression, it seems to be on, and then release the compression with the valve lifter and take it just a little bit past, and then give it a good swing and a little bit throttle, and it'll start. I'm going to stop the engine now. To stop the engine on this, you just let go of the throttle, because on this bike there is no provision for tick over on this kind of carburettor. So you must, the only way you can keep it running is on the throttle. So it would tick over, as you can tell, it was ticking over, but I was actually holding it there. So it would be nice to have a tick over, but on this bike, it's one of the things that they had back in the 50s. It was basically a racing bike on the road, and by God, it goes really well. If you ever get the chance to ride one, once it gets up to 4,000 revs, it really takes off. This particular one has a piercing crankshaft in it, and also a belt-driven clutch. So it's, you know, it's not quite the standard as you might think. But it's a fantastic bike to ride. And the brakes are good, starts easy, runs well. What more could you ask? Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you next time.